Hi guys, this is the first one of my BB gun series after Slingshot. If you watch them, you will know about what I'm doing, just shooting random stuff. Yeah, this is my new BB gun, shotgun, very strong, and I'm going to be shooting at a Coke can. Okay, now I'm just going to shoot it with one bullet, hopefully it will pop, I'm not sure. I'm just going to give it one shake. Right, there we go. Okay, the shotgun, pull back, like that, now it's loaded. Alright, so I'm standing just behind the camera, aiming at it and firing. Oh! And that was a hit on the camera, which isn't great, but we got the can nicely. Did even a bit hole than the Slingshot. That was pretty neat. It did do better than what I thought it would do. I'm just going to do something fun now. Alright, thanks for watching. No, actually, what am I saying? I'm just going to shoot the cam. This same cam over and over. Oh yeah, let me show you something. The thing, the pizza got past here, all over there, everywhere. It went on my leg, and that's the distance of about that far, which is quite far, reasonable distance. I'll get some more and I'll do it from every distance, alright? Okay, I'm just going to shoot it now. Aiming, firing. I think that went in. No, it's bouncing off, I don't know why. Oh, it hit me. They normally go in. I prefer BB to this Slingshot. The bullets are left to stray and they can go up in the air and fall down. So I shot it after a couple of times. Nothing great happened, but we got that one hole somewhere. Where is it? There. It's quite a deep hole. Reasonable. It's on the ingredients bit, the nutrition. Quite a big hole. Quite a big hole. Yeah. I'll tell you if the bullet's in comments, because it might be still in there. Alright. See you. Bye.